Hey tubers!
Twitching Hill Earthship.
Right, our millions are up. We thought this was going to be a tough part of the build, but it actually turned out to be relatively easy.
For us.
We had a question on what roof we're going to put on, where we're going to put on turf, and no, it's going to be tin, it'll be corrugation, and that's going to be the next stage.
And it's going to be a surprise.
There's something on the roof that is quite...
unique.
Oh, no, I think spectacular. I'm pumped about it. I'm pumped about it.
But also just letting you know that the reason most traditional earthships are made out of wood, but we use steel, A, termites, B, because we aren't chippies, and this is far more forgiving and easier to work with.
And Australia is full of steel.
So have a great day, and the next update will be the roof, let's hope. See ya.
So cheers, Twitching Hill.